started in 3, 2, 1, go!
We are in the lower bracket for round 3 with Alliance 4 facing off Alliance 6. The winner of this match earns their spot in the lower bracket, and unfortunately we must say goodbye to the loser of this match. Several pieces of coral make their way up into level 4. Looks like 3 pieces of level 4 coral out of Autonomous for Red Alliance, 7 points each. 1 piece of level 4 coral for the Blue Alliance as well, 7 points in that transaction. And more coral makes its way from both alliances towards the reef. Live score 35-28, just about 2 minutes left to play in the match. And we shall see how much coral is able to make its way up into the reef for each of these alliances. Panther Robotics, the home team, they make their way in the red bumpers over to the front coral station to grab a piece of coral. On the blue side, Seattle Academy, they join Skunkworks. Both teams successfully delivering game pieces to the reef, or from it, in the case of Skunkworks, as they pluck a piece of algae out of the reef, and it bounces away into the sea. Spartabots 2976 of the Red Alliance attempting to play defense here against the robots of the Blue Alliance. Seattle Academy's machine making its way out to the backside of the reef. They're lining up against the level 4 branch of the reef, and that is successfully in that slot for 5 more points to their alliance score. Skunkworks now trying to line up their claw. Looks like they may be trying to pinch themselves another piece of algae as Seattle Academy delivers yet another piece of coral up in that top row. 5 more points added to their score. Under a minute left to play and a tight score. Currently in favor of Alliance 6, 86-81. Just 5 points separating the difference. That's the same amount as a level 4 score. Panther Robotics navigating their way around the reef. They're followed by Skunkworks, 1983 of the Blue Alliance, trying to slow down that machine from gaining coral in the coral stations. Panther Robotics at the front, they're chased by the Skunks. Stealth Robotics also following. They make their way now towards the center-facing side of the reef. Seattle Academy doing some spins as they try to grab themselves some final points. They join NRG on their trip to the barge. 2 players gesturing as they try to get their Spartabots machine for the Red Alliance up on that deep cage. They have to be careful to not make contact against parts of the anchor. Here comes Seattle Academy and NRG. Skunkworks right behind them with seemingly 2 robots in the air on the Blue Alliance. Wins the match. 124-103 is your final score. And the number 6 Alliance takes the win over the number 4 Alliance. That means we will see